But my thing is, I need we must be solution orientated. We left with 9 games.
Yeah.
Crying for Mabasa now, is it going to help us, Coast? Is Mabasa going to come back? No. You know the solution, Loshi, to getting a striker coach now.
Yeah.
It can help us.
Yeah.
So crying for Mabasa, yes, it's valid. It's a valid point. I can't cry about them. But I accept into
Sure.
We can't bring Mabasa back because it's on loan now.
Sure.
We must work with whatever we have.
Yeah.
The material which we have, you saw Mbutuma yesterday, is 10.
Sure.
You know why? If Mbutuma can get his positioning right, can score a lot of goals.
Yeah.
If Squamota can get his conversion rate right, can get a lot of goals. Us getting a striker coach like Abo Penny Makat, it can help us get to score a goal. But I think now it's late in the season. Now what must happen, Fitz? These boys must work on themselves. Because these boys, mean, must take extra hours.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very important to Mabasu this Kalangai, but is it going to help us?
Yeah.
Now we must find solutions. Isn't this Caesar? Good to win these 9 games which is left.
Yeah.